Hello, dear students. Good morning and welcome back to our chapter number 17, Breathing and Exchange of Gases. So, today we are going to see about artificial respiration. Okay, so what is artificial respiration? Artificial respiration is provided to a person who has stopped breathing, okay, because of smoke inhalation, or we can say drawing or electric shock. Yes, drawing and mouth to mouth method of the artificial respiration that is commonly employed. Yes, so in which the neck of the patient is lifted by the planning one hand under it, and the head of the tilted backward as far as possible to prevent blockage of the upper respiratory tract by the tongue. So in addition, the lower jaw that may be pulled forward so that the lower teeth are in the front of the upper teeth, and this will pull the tongue, and which is attracted by the lower jaw away from the posterior pharyngeal wall, and the mouth of the operator is sealed and round a patient mouth to the prevented air leakage, and the nose of the patient is now closed with the finger or by pressing the cheek against the nose, and air is blown in the patient's mouth until the chest is seen to expand. So the mouth is then removed and the chest watch while expiration that takes place, and the process should be repeated 12 to 15 times. And infants, the mouth may be applied over both the mouth and noses. So you can see in this picture, by the help of mouth we can, yes, yes. So yes, this is the successive stage of the artificial respiration. Okay, now this is all about the respiration, but also we have to see some diseases or respiratory system. Okay, so some diseases of respiratory system, that first is SPXA. Okay, that is called in Hindi we can say dam ghutna. Okay, so yes, suffocation we can say. Yeah, so in this condition of oxygen starvation due to low atmospheric oxygen or interference with the ventilation, and this may be caused due to the drowning when alveoli get filled with water. Yes, and when or maybe the it will filled with the mucus and tissues fluid, or we can say, we know that hemoglobin have more affinity of the carbon monoxide than oxygen, so maybe because of that. Okay, so this is also a type of uh, disease caused by the respiratory system. Next we having is coughing. You all know cough, yes. So coughing is a type of necessary reflex action which is essential for cleaning of the air passage from the nostrils to bronchioles. Yes, and as a result of the coughing, external material are removed and it caused by irritation of the throat and respiratory passage. Okay, so yes. Now next we having is whooping cough. Whooping cough is known as kali khasi. Okay, so it is also spread by discharge from the throat of infected person, and it is primarily a disease of childhood, we can say. Yes, next we having is pneumonia. Pneumonia, you all know, it is the majority of the case of pneumonia is caused by the bacteria. Yes, so in which pneumonia and lymph of the mucus assimilated in the alveoli and bronchioles, that leading to the chest congestion. Yes, now next we having is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, that is TB. Yes, so it is also caused by small rod shaped bacteria that is known as Mycobacterium tuberculosis, TB, that is spread through the spectrum of infected person, and which contain this bacteria TB, that is bacteria release tuberculin in a toxin which cause the fever, and in which loss of weight and general weakness. Yes, now next we having is mountain sickness. Sickness means that person habitual of living in plains where a same mountain above 8,000 feet from the sea level develops symptoms of the symptom within the 8 to 24 hours. Okay, so the reason is the headache, and all these things will takes place in mountain sickness. Now next we having is Emphysema, that is, it is also a lung condition that causes a shortness of the breathing, okay, in which we can't take proper yes, proper breathe in our body, okay. Next we having is diphtheria. It is an infection inside the nose, okay. So that it is yes, this infection generally takes place on the child group age group of 2 to 5 year, or high sensitive towards the infection. It is a type of infection, okay. Next we having asthma. You all know it is also related to our respiration. It is also a disease, and it is also, we can say, allergy from the pollen grain of the flower or dust or by various food materials, okay. Now in this way we having many types of diseases here, it is given. Yes. Yes, so you can see the types of pneumonia and asthma also given here. So these are the general diseases which caused by the breathing. Yes, which are the some diseases of respiratory system. So all will yes, all will be create problems, so that we are not able to take the, or not properly do the respiration. Yes, so this is all about the diseases. Some important terms is given and the concepts is given in your book, so you can read by your book. So here almost, yes, your chapter is completed. I hope you have understood, and in next video we'll ready with the next chapter. Thank you.